delicious. Nice and juicy.
Juicy, crispy, got a little tang.
And welcome to another edition of Dale's Divine Barbecue. Today, we're going to make Guy Fieri's old school steak sandwich with donkey sauce. We're going to start with a whole clove of garlic, or a whole head of garlic, I should say. You're going to throw some olive oil on it, some salt and pepper, wrap it in foil, and throw it in the oven for a half hour. For the sauce, we're going to start with 2/3 cup of mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of A1 steak sauce, 1 tablespoon of French's yellow mustard, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire, and a half lemon squeeze. Last, you're going to throw in a 1/3 cup of water or buttermilk, and you're going to throw that oven baked garlic, blend it, and throw it in the fridge. Next, we're going to cut up 2 whole peppers. We're going to gut it and chop it. And we're also going to take a half of a white onion, and we're going to chop that up. As chunky as you want. And you're going to grill that with some butter and put that to the side. Next, for the steak, prep it with the essentials: paprika, cayenne, onion powder, and garlic powder. Oh, and make sure you get the right steak. For this sandwich, you want a New York steak, so it has plenty of flavor. Next, we're going to trim up the steak. By that I mean we're going to cut the fat off it. Some people might like the fat, but most don't. Then we're going to take it and slice it as thin as possible, but not too thin. This New York steak is my favorite cut of steak. Oh, gotta try it. It's good. And then you want to get yourself a long roll. I think the best roll we found for this recipe was a pretzel, but for this one we'll just use a Kaiser. Then you throw your donkey sauce. Throw a little layer of that donkey sauce down, and then lay your steak down on that bed of donkey. Throw down your grilled onions and pepper. Top it with a tomato. And last, French's crunchy onion. And then just drench it in the donkey. Close it up. Cut it up. And you're on your way to Flavor Town. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.